This was a perfect example of what can happen when you really try to think creatively and collaboratively, working with the right vendors. We've worked with Motorola for a very long time. They've been a great vendor partner of ours in driving our business. We serve here in the Orange Coast area about 340,000 unique customer households.
Our provisioning team tests and issues approximately 500 to 700 boxes a day and over 4,000 a week, with distribution points to our in-house technicians, our retail stores, our contractors, and audit team, etc. We do have a diverse market and a robust, demanding market for advanced set-top boxes.
We were having a bottleneck in our set-top provisioning, which really slowed down our processes. What I always try to drive the organization toward is what's the optimal performance of the system? Is it the best in the world? Then how we do this? And if it isn't, well then why not? Who are we going to talk to find out how we can improve this particular aspect of the business?
Previously, we had to send hits from billing, and it caused, say, a bench of 400 boxes to hit one box, then the second box, then a third box, and that would take about an hour and a half to 2 hours to process. Now with the offline loader, we can have that same bench of 400 boxes, send one command from the offline loader, and those boxes start downloading instantly.
We provision 13 different types of set-top boxes. Basically, each type of box carried a different code variation that required us to verify that the proper code was loaded. In ensuring that the new software did this up front, it really alleviated a lot of time and challenges for us in the end run.
The return on investment panned out to be very good for us. It paid for itself in twofold in the first year, and that was just in warehouse savings. There's been better return on that in other parts of our business, and have also reduced our out-of-warranty repair costs as a result of this solution.
Our no problem founds at repair, we were at the 7% range prior to the implementation of this software, and currently we have brought it down to 1% no problem found at repair. So it's definitely helped us save money on repair costs as well.
It's not only an economic issue, but it's also a customer service issue. We want to make sure that the process is a very gratifying one for the customer at the same time. Working with the right vendors to make sure that all those pieces work the way they should is really key for us. But it's important, I think, that if you're a vendor company, to be always asking the questions: what can we do better? How can we help? And I think Motorola does that. And no one knows their products and services like our vendors do. So that allows us to really have that kind of ongoing open dialogue with our friends at Motorola to really enable us to find the best way to operate the business.